Ever catch yourself watching folks online claim they make big money before 30, then pause to wonder what you are missing? You put in effort, you skip unnecessary spending, you follow the rules most say matter, still your bank balance barely changes. I'm Chris. Thinking about cash, how minds handle it, and why some grow rich without visible struggle while others repeat the same cycle for years takes up too much of my headspace. Truth few share at the beginning stands clear. Reaching 50,000 first feels unreachable. That slow climb acts like dragging stone through downpour as strangers glide by on battery-powered rides. Here's the thing. Growing money follows rules that feel odd at first. Once you get why starting out drags on, everything changes quietly. Suddenly, racing others loses meaning. Different paths show up where there seemed to be none before. Progress hides in plain sight when tracked poorly. That slow climb toward 50 grand, it fools most people. The delay isn't failure, it's part of how solid growth works. Facts look different up close. Picture beginning with nothing, no savings, no cushion. Suppose you somehow set aside $5,000 after 12 months of effort. That kind of number feels like progress. Slide that sum into a basic stock-based account. Pretend luck leans your way and markets rise sharply. 10% growth happens. Now do the math on that gain. Half a grand shows up from nowhere by year's end. Just $500 emerge after 365 days of waiting. Picture this, $50,000 set aside. 10% growth turns that into 5,000 extra bucks. Just like that, interest earns what months of tight budgets once did. That thing folks call compound interest, this is it. Yet no one admits how sluggish it seems at first. All the smart moves, saving steady, investing small, staying careful, and still rewards trickle in like spare coins dropped by chance. Feels less like progress, more like being handed gum wrappers instead of cash. Since gains start tiny, your brain doesn't light up with pleasure. Nothing inside cheers you on. Putting money aside seems pointless since real results stay hidden for now. It's slow groundwork on a future no one notices. Here's what took me too long to notice. Being young and low on funds means higher costs across the board. Bulk deals slip out of reach. Ready cash just isn't there. Money runs out before the month does. Bills stack up, forcing choices between one payment or another. Overdraft charges pile on top of already thin accounts. Late penalties add up, not from neglect, but from constant shuffling. Rent drains cash while someone else gains value. A broken down car needs $800, unreachable, so $200 gets spent on a temporary patch. That fix won't last. Costs rise when there's little to spend. Here's the thing. It isn't about poor choices. The setup itself works against anyone without cash up front. While aiming for 50 grand saved, hidden costs eat away at what little extra you've got. Costs wealthier folks just skip. Picture pouring water into a tub where the bottom leaks slow but steady. Right now, earnings likely trail behind rising expenses. Truth, many 20-somethings earn barely enough.
New roles, uncertain paths, shifts between fields, more education, chances taken that led nowhere, that shapes early years. Even with a solid paycheck, chances are student debt weighs on you, maybe supporting relatives too, or coping with sky-high rent that gobbles 2/5 of your earnings. Truth is, smaller pay means less room to set aside cash, no matter how hard you try. Earning 40 grand yearly and putting away 1/10, that's 4,000 bucks. Looks responsible. That pace gets you 50 large only after 12 and a half years, and that ignores tax cuts, rising prices, or surprise expenses popping up. Yet things shift slowly. Time passes, abilities deepen, value climbs in the job world, paychecks stretch wider. Once earnings go up, so does what you can set aside. Jumping from 4,000 to 10,000 saved each year isn't just faster progress, it reshapes where you're headed. What seemed slow suddenly moves differently. Your 20s, they're full of costly mistakes. Most people stay quiet on this topic, yet that decade often becomes a trial run with cash flow, except each mistake comes with a fee. Leasing a vehicle beyond your budget turns out to be a sinkhole. Interest charges on plastic cards aren't fake, they pile up fast. Every pay bump risks vanishing when spending grows right alongside it. Figures show up who push you to spend cash you cannot spare, yet standing firm becomes part of the routine. That kind of knowledge shifts something deep inside. Truly does. Worth every stumble along the way. Still, nothing comes without cost. Paying those prices early, rough as they are, clears paths later on. Just when things seem within reach, the target slips further ahead. One day you notice commitments piling up. A partner arrives, maybe even a child joins the scene. Suddenly the number feels heavier than before. Perhaps your family needs support. Or maybe this one matters. You begin doing things that feel real, not chasing digits on a screen. It could be time to leave that awful rental behind, find walls that don't weigh on your mood. Money targets matter, sure, yet life keeps changing shape beneath your feet. That's normal. That's how people live. If getting to 50,000 feels impossible right now, know this: you aren't damaged, you aren't late, you aren't falling short. It starts slow. Reaching the first $50,000 feels like pushing uphill, since costs eat up more of what you make, earnings are smaller, and every choice teaches something new. That base takes time. Yet after it stands firm, habits set, knowledge earned, the second 50,000 moves quicker than expected. Momentum builds when groundwork exists. Learning curves flatten later on. Progress speeds up behind the scenes. First gains shape future ease. Effort early changes how fast things grow afterward. Next one moves quicker still. This isn't about scaling slopes, it's gathering speed. Once that motion kicks in, it carries weight. Just stay with it. Rely on how things unfold. Quit measuring your third page against another's 20th. Progress hides where you least expect.
So if you're still in that quiet stretch, saving, learning, stumbling, rebuilding, don't rush to call it failure. This part doesn't look impressive, and that's exactly why it works. The first 50,000 isn't about speed or genius. It's about staying in long enough for momentum to show up. Keep laying bricks no one applauds. If this way of thinking helped you see money a little differently, subscribe to the channel. More honest conversations like this are coming. Stay patient, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next one.